Hi everyone, welcome to Blue Prism tutorial class 4. My name is Kaushal and today we are going to learn about the Blue Prism modules and dashboard. In previous video, we learned how to install the Blue Prism, how to launch it and how to configure it on your local machine. Today we are going to learn about the modules and tabs of the Blue Prism. Here you can see in the Blue Prism there is 8 modules available. We'll go one by one. First modules of the Blue Prism is the home page, and in home page is the basically by default page. By default modules of the Blue Prism, when you will log in it will redirect to the home page. On the home page, you can see the information in the form of graphs like work queue details, queue volumes are now, total automations, workforce availability. All the details will be available in the form of graph. In the next tab is the Blue Prism is Studio. Studio is the basically second module of the Blue Prism where you have to create the process and objects. Process and object is a sub modules of the Blue Prism Studio module. We'll go in the deep level in the later video. Next, we will have control modules. In the control modules, you can control the process from the control room. Like here, you can see the list of the resource details like board details should be available. Here will be whatever the process you will publish it will be available here. As of now, there is no process published on my machine. That's why it's showing black. But when any process will get published, it will be display here and we can assign and start the process as per the requirement. In the below tab you can see the session details like what process is running, what process is not running. As of now there is no process running, that's why it's showing the blank, and you can filter it on the basis of some filter criteria here. In the left side we can also create the schedule with the help of scheduler. Like if you want to create run the process on a specific time, you can schedule the process from the control room. Here is a scheduler. You can schedule it like new schedule, and according to that, we can provide the scheduler information. We can see the timetables like when process get run, what are the details of the process, history, all details we can see here. Also, we can retire the schedule which is already scheduled, and you can see we can see it in the retired scheduler tab. Next modules of the Blue Prism will have analytics. In analytics, basically the information will be available in the form of graphical, but something which is related to the dashboard and tiles information is there. And tiles information is nothing but just some history will be created by default by the Blue Prism. It's not getting created by the developer. In the next tab, we can see there is a package overview information in there. With the help of release tab, we can create the package and release of the Blue Prism. What is the use of creating the Blue Prism package and tab, package and release? So basically, when we have to move our code one environment to another environment, we have to create the package and release. Once we'll create the package and release, we can save it on our local drive and launch the another environment of the Blue Prism like UAT or development, UAT or production, and we can import that release and the code will be moved from the one environment to another environment with the help of release modules. Digital Exchange is the new module of the Blue Prism which is available in the latest version of the Blue Prism, and we'll create a separate video for the Digital Exchange because when I will click here it will redirect to the separate Blue Prism portals. From there we have to download the some components and discuss later video. System tab is basically used to create the work queue details and the security information like users roles and user. Also suppose there is a target application used in the process and that's required to get interacted with the credential, so we have to create the credential with the help of credential manager in security tab of the system module. Next, modules of Blue Prism is my profile. This is also new modules of the Blue Prism. From there directly we can change the password while clicking on the change password, and we can sign out our Blue Prism directly from the my profile modules. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.